Hey everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts here on YouTube, Rush Truck Centers out of Greeley, Colorado. Finally getting in some stock trucks, which is very nice. Got a 2027 Peterbilt 567 here with a 44-inch flat top sleeper. It's a heavy haul, double framed, full length double frame, set back front axle for maneuverability. And it's a 605 2050 torque engine. I didn't do a 2-speed auxiliary in this one. Got some guys that like that, some guys that don't, but we can add a 2-speed auxiliary, a 3-speed or a 4-speed. If you want those added, we can certainly do that. 20,000 pound steer axle, and you can see by the way that that front axle sets back in there a little bit, why we call it a set back front axle. It's a 20,000 pound steer axle. Tire size is 425 65 R22.5. Put this one on Alcoas. This isn't really a show truck. It could be dolled up, but she's a good working truck. Nothing super fancy on it, but it's got all the niceties. It hasn't been washed yet. I just wanted to get this video up. Small sleeper, so you can at least pull over and be legal. Very nice sleeper. Call it the 44-inch. It's the 36-inch from the old days. 120 gallon on this side. Sliding rear window. Got low outboard and inboard upper load lights there. A 23,000 pound non-steerable pusher axle. 295 75 R22.5s on that one. These are all Continental tires. 11 R24.5s on the rear. Some good lugs. Peterbilt air track suspension, one of the toughest out there. 72-inch air slide, and it is outboard mount. 70,000 pound Holland fifth wheel. Full lockers, disc brakes. This is just a good solid work truck. Not as fancy and quite as good looking as the 589s, but I'm really 567s we sell a lot of them. They do a really good job, and there's a lot more bling available for those now. Got a 135 on this side. Got tank heaters. In the past, we didn't need tank heaters because the diesel was of much higher quality. You didn't have to treat your diesel until you were down to 0 degrees or below. Today, you pretty much have to treat your diesel if it's 20 degrees or below. So that's why we've been putting these on. They're not expensive from the factory at all. They're made by Arctic Fox, and they do a really, really good job. They're cheaper than just the tow bill if you had to be towed because your fuel's gelled. So a set of jump posts there. So if you got a heavy haul trailer with a pony motor, you can jump it off of here if the battery's dead on that. So that's why we put those back there on a heavy. Air ride cab, air ride sleeper. The 567s, the passenger side exhaust is the only one that's functional. That's on all 567s. It's just they just do that to keep all the heat on one side. So I'll take a quick look at the motor, and then I'll take you inside. Oh, and before I do that, it's got a front toe pin right there. So this could be used in a push-pull application. Usually if you got pushers, we usually do Allison's, but the hot side of the motor. Yeah, 20,000 pound steer axle. You can tell that bumper is the setback bumper because it has this return right here. Anti-blow down. Got remote lube, Davco fuel filter, back there. Again, I apologize for this being dirty. It's just I wanted to get the video out on it. Got chrome mirrors, got chrome trim around the Peterbilt logo and the air intake on the sides of the hood. Tried to dress it up a little bit with white. What we see a lot of people do is wraps. You can do vinyl wraps, and you can make this any color you wanted. So your engine and your fuel heater there. I think we did the platinum interior on this. This truck weighs 23,783 as it sits. You got your pusher axle pressure valve there. We just did black Mordura cloth seats. Very tough material. This is an 18 speed, and I believe we put 390 gears in this. We may have done 410s. I should have checked that before I did the video, but it's 390 or 410s. Get her fired up. Power windows, power locks, air horn under the cab. Got a couple of spotlights here you can use. Factory CB. This does not have nav. It's got gauges. There's your AM, FM, climate control, and all your switches over here. There we go. 18 speed. It's got the smart wheel in it. And you can move all these gauges around to wherever you want them. Nice small sleeper, but big enough. Sliding rear window. And then we got a window on both sides of the sleeper, which with a heavy haul I really like because it just gives you a little more visibility around the truck. You got to pull out here for if you have a passenger. But just a super nice, super clean, nothing fancy, heavy haul. So I just thought I'd share that one with you. This one is available. Just came in. And she is ready to go to work. She's gonna get a nice detail job. And if I can do that. Oh, I did put the horns on the top of the cab. So usually I put those underneath. So my apologies there. Good looking truck. Solid truck. If you need an extra heavy haul, this one is here in Greeley. It is available. So it's Keith Couch at 970-691-3877 or couchk, COUCHK at rushenterprises.com. Thanks, guys. Talk to you soon.